How to see your likes on Pinterest. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Pinterest. Click on Saved, located at bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on Saved, click on Your Profile, located at top left corner of your screen beside Pins. After you click on it, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Refine Your Recommendations, which is the third option. And in Pins, you will find all your liked Pinterest boards. If you click on it, you will find you have liked the post. And this is how to see your likes on Pinterest. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.